take a little, no, take the video of what's beautiful in this. This is very pretty. This is what I do. Is there any little bugs or anything in there that we can like put under the microscope?
Well, if there are, I'm not digging them out.
Oh.
How are you making out?
Oh, this is good. I'm sending this to Sam. I've got his email.
No shit.
Shit. Okay. This is what we do. And look, I even have my nice little baggy things. Alright. You don't know how heavy this thing is. I could actually do a workout. What do you think if I left it on the board to the people who actually use this with me? That would be fun. Okay. Now, because we're very, efficient, we don't want to use too many garbage bags, because this here too is a poopy one. So, we do this. Now the only thing that's really difficult is, now this has got poopy on it, so then we have to throw those in, but then you have to tie up the garbage. So you know that those were over here, and this wasn't touched by poopy, so this is how you do that. Oh, and by the way, you also have to pay $1 to get rid of everybody's dog shit. It's communal, but I pay for it all. And we're all good to go.